So what are the benefits of Google local service ads? You get seen at the new top of Google, first and foremost. If you're at the top, you're in position to get a lot more leads. You get to connect with potential customers who are actively searching for appliance repair services in your local area and that are most likely to schedule an appointment with you. They have a mobile app that you can use to stay connected with consumers at any time. Build trust for your appliance repair company with the Google guarantee. Consumers, especially in the appliance repair industry, are very skeptical. So this is why Google guarantee can help you get more leads. If I've mentioned this in some of my other presentations, but if you just do a search on YouTube for appliance repair scams, you will find several news stations that across the US that have actually done some type of special on appliance repair scams where consumers were taken advantage of. So whenever they're calling an appliance repair company, a lot of them are skeptical. So this Google guarantee is one way you can stand out from the rest. Because, you know, in the AdWords ads, there's nothing there, right? And in SEO or Google Maps, there's also nothing there like the Google guarantee. So this is definitely one way to stand out from some of your competition. Pay only for leads related to appliance repair services that you offer, right? So no more of that. If you bought lead in the past and you are paying for, let's say, small appliances, dehumidifiers, blenders, you don't have to worry about paying for those type of situations with Google local service ads. Customers choose your appliance repair company. So you only hear from consumers who have specifically reviewed and selected your profile. That means they are somewhat already sold on your company by the time they actually contact you, right? Because they open up your profile, they looked at the reviews, they may have read some of the reviews, they looked at your services, the description that you have, and they're calling, right? So at this point, it's taking things to the next step.